0 UTC. Information. Location. 39.6 and 76 period OW about 47 miles, 167 km, northeast of Baltimore, Maryland. About 44 miles, km, west-southwest of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Maximum sustained winds, 10 miles per hour, 30 km/h present movement. East-northeast or 75 degrees at 33 miles per hour, 53 km/h minimum central pressure, 1005 MB, 29.68 inches watches and warnings. Flash flood and flood watches extend across portions of the mid-Atlantic and into the coastal northeast. For information specific to your area, including possible watches and warnings, please monitor projects issued by your local National Weather Service office at www.weather.gov. Discussion in 48-HOUR, Outlook. At 5 a.m., 0900 UTC, the center of post-tropical cyclone Bill is located near latitude 39.6 north, and longitude 76.0 west. While post-tropical cyclone Bill still has some cyclonic circulation, it has significantly weakened as only a ragged area of low pressure remains across northeastern Maryland. Radar imagery shows convection to the south of the low, but it is much less organized than it has previously been during the past few days. Surface observations show very weak wind fields in place with 5 to 10 knots accompanied by slightly higher gusts. Outer rain bands continue to move ahead of the center into northeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and into southeastern New York and lower coastal New England. The remnants of Bill are expected to continue moving east-northeastward into the far eastern part of the upper mid-Atlantic and lower New England early this morning and will track across the northeast coastline later in the morning. The remnants of Bill could briefly strengthen as it becomes extratropical over the northern mid-Atlantic and southern New England coast. Maximum sustained winds are near 10 miles per hour, 30 km/h, with higher gusts. Minimum central pressure is 1005 MB, 29.68 inches. Hazards. Rainfall. The remnants of Bill is expected to produce rainfall totals of 1 to 2 inches of rain across eastern sections of the upper mid-Atlantic and up into coastal New England. These rains will continue to enhance the threat for flash flooding, particularly in regions which are already saturated from previous heavy rainfall. Rainfall totals. Selected storm total rainfall in inches through 2 a.m. Arkansas. Rogers 2.1 southeast 4.42 Bentonville 4.27 Fayetteville/Springdale 4.03 HARRISON/BOONE. Company ARP 3.85 Delight 2.2 west northwest 3.74 Springdale 6.4 west southwest 3.31 Siloam Springs/SMITH. Field 3.24 Texarkana RGNL ARP 2.67 Eureka Springs 4.0 west northwest 2.62 Springfield/Capital ARP 2.49 Washington DC. Washington/National ARP 2.37 Washington 1E 2.10 Illinois. Cooks Mill 5.14 Scott AFB/Belleville 5.01 Sullivan 3S 4.89 CARBONDALE/MURPHYSBORO 4.83 Flora 4.70 Lawrenceville Instance INTL app 4.63 Allenville 1S 4.50 Ilburn 4.45 MATTOON/Charleston 4.23 South Carroll Stream 4.11 Batavia 3.87 Cahokia/St. Louis 3.58 Murfreesboro 3.56 Rochelle 3.43 Manhattan 5 South Southeast 3.26 Indiana. Grissom AFB/Peru 6.72 Evansville RGNL ARP 5.27 Sandpoint 4.96 BLOOMINGTON/Monroe Company ARP 4.87 Bicknell 4.67 Fort WAYNE/Bearfield 4.53 Morocco 3.70 MUNCIE/Johnson Field 3.16 New Ross 2E 2.87 Indianapolis INTL ARP 2.57 Anderson 5 Northwest 2.30 Terre Haute/Ullman RGNL ARP 2.12 Chesterton 1.70 Kansas. Coffeyville Muni ARP 3.64 Olive/Johnson 1.79 Collier 2.1 Southeast 1.45 Kentucky. Henderson City 3.54 Frankfort Capital City ARP 2.12 Calhoun/Locke 2.02 JACKSON/J. Carroll 1.96 Paducah/Barclay 1.90 LEXINGTON/Bluegrass Field 1.14 Louisiana. Shreveport RGNL ARP 4.79 Bossier City 6.7 north-northwest 3.84 Shreveport 5.3 south-southeast 2.42 Plain Dealing 3.0 east-southeast 2.13 Ruston 1.6 northwest 1.85 Maryland Chiltern 1 north-northeast 2.50 Salisbury RGNL ARP 2.14 Walkersville 1 east 2.06 Baltimore/Washington INTL ARP 1.92 Andrews AFB/Camp Springs 1.81 Mountain Lake 2 west-northwest 1.60 Accident 3 north-northeast 1.60 Missouri Portland 4 west-northwest 8.25 Battlefield 7.93 Ozark 3 north 7.54 Spokane 3 southeast 7.00 Hartsville 1 east 6.90 Highlandville 6.75 Seymour 6.20 Springfield 7 east 6.00 Marshfield 3.6 S 5.48 Hurley 8 east northeast 5.00 Exeter 5.00 Competition 5.00 Rogersville 4.80 Nixa 2.7 south-southwest 4.72 Linden 2 northeast 4.60 Ohio Lima/Allen Company ARP 5.11 Akron Kenton Regional ARP 3.51 WILMINGTON /Cincinnati WFO 3.46 Downtown Columbus 2 west-northwest 3.21 DAYTON /JAMES Cox Airport 3.01 Cincinnati ASOS 2.90 Harvaysburg 3 southwest 2.75 Morrow W1 east 2.69 Loveland 5 southeast 2.50 Canada 5 west-northwest 2.35 North Zanesville 4 west 2.14 Woodsfield 2 east 1.81 Nelly 1.71 Fairfield 5 south southeast 1.46 Connersville 2 east southeast 1.34 Oklahoma Hilton 3 east 12.53 Newport 11.52 Berneville 10.09 Sulphur 2.5 west southwest 8.63 Ringling 8.27 Pauls Valley Muni App 7.35 Sulphur 7.09 Wickham 5.2 east southeast 5.82 Marietta 2.8 southwest 5.578 0.3 north-northwest 5.45 Woolwicka 7.4 north-northwest 5.30 Norman 3.4 southeast 3.61 Oklahoma City 11.5 S 2.64 Muskogee/Davis Field Airport 2.55 Bartlesville Muni ARP 1.51 Pennsylvania Harrisburg/Capital City ARP 1.93 JOHNSTOWN/CAMBRIA Company ARP 1.68 URAAF/INDIANTOWN 1.63 Middleton/OLMSTED 1.63 Williamsport 1.39 Texas Montague 12.50 Canada 1.5 W11.77 Kirbyville 1.5 Southeast 9.51 Sealy 0.3 West Northwest 9.17 Ellis 7 Victoria 9 East Southeast 7.73 Rockport 1.3 West Southwest 7.51 Manor 4.7 West Southwest 7.30 WF San Jacinto 7.06 Lufkin/Inculina Co-op 6.98 Minnesota 8 Southeast 6.73 Flower Bluff 7 Southwest 6.59 Aransas Pass 1 South Southeast 6.46 St. Philip 1.0 West Northwest 6.15 Corpus Christi 6.14 Austin 4.2 East Southeast 5.80 San Antonio INTL ARP 2.91 Houston/Intercontinental 2.51 Fort Worth NAS 2.34 Virginia Fort Belvoir/Davison AFB 3.85 Taylorstown 1 Southeast 3.44 Lorton 2 East Northeast 2.85 Fairfax 1 Southeast 2.71 Quantico Nicus 1.20 Washington/DULLES INTL ARP 1.11 Richmond 1.08 West Virginia Parkersburg/Wilson 1.68 McNeil 3 North-Northwest 1.60 Albright 1.58 MORGANTOWN/HART Field 1.32 Cameron 1.18 Next Advisory. This is the last public advisory issued by the Weather Prediction Center for this system. Please refer to your local National Weather Service office for further information on this storm. Forecaster Ruben after forecast positions. Initial 21/0900Z 39.6 and 76 period OW12 HRVT 21/1800Z 41 period 5 and 72 period 1W. Post-TROPICAL/REMNANT. Low 24-hour VT 22/0600Z 43.6 and 65 period 4W. Post-TROPICAL/REMNANT. Low 36 hour ET 22/1800 Z 44.5 and 59 period 3W. Extratropical 48 hour ET 23/0600 Z 45.1 and 54 period 1W. Extratropical.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, the voice of the National Weather Service, on station WXL-39 from Allentown, Pennsylvania, on a frequency of 100.
And there you have it. The last public advisory for Tropical Storm Bill.